Ayan po, una sa listahan, our Marshall Polomolok GPPT Rider Club Incorporated /Red the SMRC.
Na sinusundan po ng ating caller.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Polomolok GPPT Riders Club with their president, Dante Nobleza. Ayun, good morning! Ayun, grabe talaga. Hi, hello, good morning, GPPT Riders.
Magandang umaga. Thank you so much, GPPT Riders.
And of course, we have our parade of colors from the Philippine National Police. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, very snappy salute to our men in uniform of the PNP Polomolok, headed by with our newly installed OIC po ng ating Polomolok Chief. Ayan, good morning.
Magandang umaga po, sir and ma'am.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, with all the mascot and with all of the energy from
PNP Polomolok.
yes, with our newly promoted Garnet Balili.
Yes! Maraming salamat, Sir Garnet of PNP Polomolok.
Paano tayo nagiling sa ning mascot? Madakpan lang na po ni Musikun na po ni Unia.
Yan. Orange.
Hi! Ayan so si Sir, no, talagang si El Bonito, may very good friends since high school. Hello, Harvey! Of course, we have our Polomolok Reservist.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.
Ayun, hulaw pa ni gabi, pero pasto, lapsing lang yung hapon.
Macho pa rin.
And the very most awarded colonel or personnel of the men in uniform na kasama natin kagabi at talagang having him as one of our partner, talagang nakaka-proud, Colonel Ariel Kerubin!
Maraming salamat, Colonel, for being here.
And we also have the Philippine Navy Marine Association Polomolok Chapter.
Tubig.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the Retirees Association gentlemen, our official entry for the drum bar competition, Poblacion Bolobolok National High School, with a very ever-known drum kahara.
Very energetic coach and very energetic leaders and band. Mukhang handang-handa na sila para mamaya.
Yes, we're very excited and we're looking forward for the performance of our entry for the high school category, Poblacion Bolobolok National High School. On the official entries of our thematic dance competition. Ladies and gentlemen, one of our entry from Barangay Bono. Ito, parang ready na ang ating entry number 1. And of course, also joining our celebration this morning is our, Mindanao Guardians, Graces Philippine Services Community Kulama. Ay napapakitang sila, our official contingent for the drum and fire elementary category. Let's all welcome Bolobolok Central Elementary School. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the drum and lyre of the Bolobolok Central Elementary School. Ang holding area daw po ng ating drum and lyre contingent ay dito po malapit sa Thematic Dance Parade. Entry number 2 from the Nicolas Barreras National High School.
Garden Center number 2.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, abangan natin later entry number 2 from Barangay Lamang, represented by the Nicolas Barreras National High School.